And there I was, one show to do, 2 cameras, man alone. But the show had to go on. This film experience goes back to the year 2006, 13 years ago. Back then, operating as Sumo Productions, we did a lot of dance shows. The particular dance show I want to talk about was a cabaret show called Laid. My partner in crime, Chad, and myself, we did 2 video cameras. I was on camera 1 and he was on camera 2. I would cover all the movement shots and he would do the establishing shot. And then when it was time to change either batteries or the tape, we used DV tapes in those years. We swapped around. He would go from camera 1 to camera 2 and I would go from camera 2 to camera 1, so that there's no break in the filming. Anyway, we had the show to do, and a day before the filming, my partner fell off a stepladder and got injured. The show had to be done. Took a bit of planning, but at the end of the day, the filming went ahead. I got there early enough, climbed into the booth. I'd had a step ladder you had to climb out with a manhole and then into the sound booth and the camera booth. Anyway, me being alone, I set up both cameras in the booth next to each other, one higher than the other one, and tapped into the sound. Camera 1 was for all the movement, zooming in, zooming out, and then camera 2 was to do the establishing shot on the whole stage. And there I was, operating 2 cameras, man alone, doing different angles and switching between cameras. I might have to mute all the dancing sounds because of copyright. You know, YouTube, copyright, and so on. Now I'm going to include the intro. I think it was quite classic. And then followed by a few clips with a few of the dances that happened that night.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Alexander Playhouse. Before we start, there is an important announcement. The management wish to inform you that the contents of this show may offend sensitive viewers. In fact, we hope it does. So, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's get laid.
With passion and love, the neighbors complain about the noises above. She only comes when she's on top of the world.
And as you saw, 2 cameras, 2 different angles, operated by myself. I just had to make it work. It took a bit of editing, but at the end of the day we had to produce a DVD. It was quite a big order and it happened, made it work. Before we carry on, just a bit of admin. Please subscribe to my channel Liberty Productions. Hit the notification bell for further videos. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And finally, I'll include a bit of the outro of the show. Thanks for watching, and until next time, laka laka.
With passion and love, the neighbors complain about the noises above. She only comes when she's on top. Oh no. My therapist said not to see you no more. She said you're like a disease without any cure. She said I'm so obsessed that I'm becoming a bore. Oh no. I think you're so pretty. Locked you in the side too, slam your fingers in the door, bought your kitchen knives and squats. You dressed me up in woman's clothes, messed around gender roles, buy my eyes and call me pretty. Moved out of the house, so you moved next door. I locked you out, you got a hole in the wall. I found you sleeping next to me, I thought I was alone. You're driving me crazy.